In this video, we will learn about managing people in self-maintained Canvas organizations. We will visit an organization, add users to an organization, and remove users from an organization. First, we will visit an organization. Find an organization, or org, by going to the Canvas dashboard and viewing your active courses. Organizations in Canvas are equivalent to courses with extra permissions for teachers in self-maintained organizations. Organizations that are published appear with published courses. Organizations that are not published will appear with unpublished courses for teachers, leaders, but they will not appear for students, participants. Canvas organizations have the same features as Canvas courses. There is a link to Home, Announcements, Modules, Discussions, People, and Google Drive. On the Modules page, there are tips for adding content and customizing a Canvas organization. Next, add users to an organization. Select the People link to add users to a self-maintained organization. Select the Plus People button. If the Plus People button is not available, you may not have the correct role to add participants, or enrollments from the org may be connected to PeopleSoft data. Enrollments for all majors organizations are connected to PeopleSoft enrollment data, and the option to add people will not be available to users even with the teacher role. After selecting Plus People, the Add People window appears. In the Add People window, choose how to add users. It is possible to add users by email address, login ID, or SysID. An email address for an individual can change, so this is not recommended as a method for adding a user to an org. A login ID is the same as a CSUEB net ID. A SysID is the same as a CSUEB employee ID. In this example, I will add users by their login IDs, which are their CSUEB net IDs. Their role will be student. Add commas between net IDs. Select Next. In the next window, review the information for the users and select Add Users. The new users now appear on the People page with a pending message. When an organization is published, students see the option to accept the invitation from the Canvas dashboard. After accepting the invitation, the organization will appear on students' dashboards along with their courses. Next, remove users from an organization. It is a best practice to remove students from an organization when no longer with the university. To remove a user, go to People in the navigation menu. Find the user who needs to be removed and select the three-dot kebab menu on the right for that user. Select Remove from Course. Confirm this action by selecting OK. A message will appear confirming that the user was removed. Thank you for watching this video on managing people in self-maintained Canvas organizations.